Are you looking to enter into the Airbnb market? What are some of the top 5 things you should think about before doing so? Number 1, you're gonna wanna look at your market. Look at what similar structures of the same design are renting for simply by looking at what Airbnb has to offer in your local area. That's what you're gonna use to base how much you can rent your unit for and how often it's gonna be occupied. Number 2 is gonna be something like, hey, can I even have an Airbnb on my backyard? That's going to be something you have to talk to your local planning and zoning department about and possibly obtain a rental license. Number 3, what's my ROI, meaning return on investment? When I look at a product and I see that it costs me, for instance, $35,000, how much does that bring me in every single month? And that's going to determine times 12 what my annual return on investment is going to be. Most of the time you're going to see that a container ROI blows away anything you're getting with single family homes, or in a lot of cases, multi-family homes. Number 4 is gonna be your location. Can you get a 40-foot or a 20-foot into that area? Do you even need to take on the expenditures of connecting containers to get the ROI you're shooting for? So there's a lot of things when thinking about how do I get this container to where I want to put it. Do I have the time to manage the Airbnb or the short-term rental myself? Do I need to hire an outside marketing company to help me get the returns I need? And do I want to just wipe my plate of it and let somebody else handle and manage that for me for a small fee? Those are the top 5 things you got to think about before you get into the Airbnb and short-term rental market.